Hello friends, welcome to JB's Man Cave, where I capture things as it is, real, unedited. This is a trailer. We're going to be loading a golf cart that we want to get rid of. And today is also Father's Day, so happy Father's Day to all of you. The guys would like to check this out more than the ladies, or maybe you just want to see JB lift a golf cart. Yep, at some point in this video I will have to help putting this in a trailer. So my friends here are putting in the tires because they were all flat, and once we've done that, it's easier to roll it. That's me, JB, there, and that's the golf cart. There is Johnny pushing it. Now the interesting thing about getting this up on the trailer is the golf cart is more narrow than the railings are to go up to the trailer. So it was kind of hard navigating to get it up because the golf cart's heavy, and we kind of had to line it up to get it just right. By the way, you could see in the background that a lot of the snow has melted from the tops of the mountains. That's what they look like if you've seen my other videos. Most of the times you're seeing it with snow, but now it's in June. The sun has come out pretty strong. You'll notice there isn't a cloud in the sky. Some days are like that. I wouldn't say it is as hot as the Caribbean, because in Utah the weather here is very dry. It's not so humid. You can see where we're pushing up the golf cart, but trying to get it up the rail, like I said, it's more narrow. So what happens is we kind of got it stuck because it hit one end of the trailer. So another friend of mine, Sean, he's going to go up there and pull the golf cart to one side, and then I'm there pushing it up, keeping it so it doesn't go back down. And that's that. You're probably wondering why make a video on this. Well, who knows? I've seen more ridiculous things on YouTube. This is probably more interesting. You actually get to see how we did it. You get to see a trailer, a good powerful Ram truck, and how we get the rails up into the trailer and how we close it, as well as some beautiful background scenery of Utah. And on that note, please tell me how you spent your Father's Day. What did you do? Not everybody has their father in their life, and not everybody has a dad. Some people have a father but not a dad, and probably you're wondering what I mean by that. Well, legally and biologically you can have a father, but having a dad is having somebody there for you when you need them, to express their love, to share their love for you. And that's a dad. And even further to that, maybe your dad passed along or went away or whatever, and so your mother has taken up that role as both father and dad. Or maybe you don't have any of your parents and somebody else, a guardian or whomever, a relative, is playing both that role of father to you. Nevertheless, I hope you enjoyed watching us put this golf cart into the trailer, and I hope if you are a father or potentially a father that you had a good Father's Day. I really appreciate you watching. Thanks so much for being part of JB's Man Cave.